A very warm welcome to everyone. I am Tanaya. I am starting you to give the latest job news and job updates to everyone through the BSc, BTech, ITI diploma and everyone. So in this lockdown period, everyone need a proper job, no? And so I opened my YouTube channel for helping you and nothing more. If you really support me, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. And today I will share you the latest job of Airtel Bharati hire freshing engineers. Okay, so you can see that there is a link that the www.studentcircle.com. Okay, I will give the link in the description and you can also share it with your friends, those who have need the job. So the Airtel is the biggest company of the Bharti Airtel company of telecommunication system, and with the 20 countries of Asia and Africa, and its headquarters is in New Delhi, India. Okay, so the top three most services globally, which include 3G, 2G, 4G wireless services as well as the DTH enterprises, everything. So really a good job it is. So I will told you that the eligibility details, interview syllabuses, selection process, apply link, everything. Okay, so first of all I go for the candidates who have completed the diploma and the ITI can eligible to apply. Okay, no BTech, no BSc, nothing, only the diploma and the ITI student. This job only for the diploma and the ITI student, I mentioned that. Okay, so company website is www.airtel.com. Okay, so job position the you can get install engineer. Job location, you can go Chennai for the job if you got the job. Okay, qualification, I again mentioned diploma and ITI, and you should not have any backlogs in this current year in your third year or fourth year. Okay, in your last year you should don't have any backlog. Experience freshers 0 to 5 years. It means the fresher can apply for your job. Okay, so education qualification and the eligibility criteria, I again mentioned diploma and the ITI student, and those who have 6.5 not CGPA, the YGPA above throughout the without running backlogs. Okay, if you have backlog, please clear it. And only the graduate of 2018, 2019 and 2021 20, not the 2021 graduates. Okay, see, there is a mention that 2018, 2019 and 2020's guarantees. So job description, you should have knowledge in networking, CCNA, DSL modem and Wi-Fi router configuration, because this is a telecommunication institution. Okay, telecommunication is particularly give the communication skills and customer handling capacity. You should have it, and the customer visit per appointment and the first time right solution. Suppose someone give you a question, then what should you tell to the customer to give your best. And the communication system is really very needed for the job. And you can also check the common interview question and answer. I will give you the PDF everything, and the documents to be carried for the Airtel jobs. And you should carry a latest resume, a best resume. I don't latest best resume. Okay, and the Aadhaar card original and photocopy, passport size, and you need to carry government certified IT jobs. And students should have the essential educational certificates. Okay, for the Xerox copy. And How to apply for the Airtel jobs? First of all, you register here through the mail, okay, and I will give the link. There is everything mentioned in it. And if you activate and emails, you have the email subscription, you can give the mail confirmation. And this is a offline campus drive, and you can apply in online also. And so see how to apply the Airtel Walk-in Drive 2020. To apply the Airtel Walk-in Drive, candidates have to visit the site swiggy.com or else the studentcircles.com, okay, and you can get the direct application link for this job. So what are the Airtel given process, selection process? One is written test, second is group discussion, third is technical interview, and fourth is HR interview, okay. So after that the question, the student circle provided Airtel job updates. Yes, studentcircles.com is a website that you can get every job updates for everything, for the BTech, BSc, ITI, anything else. So does subscription provide Airtel placement papers? Yes, Airtel placement papers, you can get the placement selection. Okay, I will give you see, there is latest placement papers also. I know every day is not possible to see the latest placement updates, so that's why I am opening this channel for your help, and I will give you everything. Those who have the ITI and diploma, you can apply for this job. It's a good company with good job, and all the best for your job. Thank you. And if you like, please like it. Please support me for subscribing my channel. Thank you.